News that we are currently under an excessive heat warning and a heat advisory.
An excessive heat warning means that a prolonged period
I missed the
of
excessive
hot
heat warning.
temperatures will occur. Drink plenty of fluids. Stay in an air-conditioned room. Stay out of the sun. And check up on relatives and neighbors. When possible, breathe strenuous.
Oh! Heat advisory! Heat advisory!
Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion.
Oh, it's hot!
Stroke is an emergency. Call 911. The following statement is
Heat advisory.
for the following areas: in Oregon, Cascade Foothills in Lane County, Central Columbia River Gorge of Oregon, Central Willamette Valley, Greater Portland Metro Area, Lower Columbia and Northern Oregon Cascade Foothills, and the following areas: in Washington, Central Columbia River Gorge of Washington, Greater Vancouver Area, Lower Columbia and I, 5 Corridor in Cowlitz County and South Washington Cascade Foothills. Heat advisory in effect from noon Saturday to 9 p.m. Sunday.
Hot.
The National Weather Service in Portland has upgraded the excessive heat watch to a heat advisory, which is in effect from noon Saturday to 9 p.m. Sunday.
Wow, today
Impacts: moderate to high risk of heat illness for those who are sensitive to heat and those without effective cooling and adequate hydration. High temperatures Saturday and Sunday, mid to upper 90s low temperatures. In the 60s Saturday night, a heat advisory means that a period of hot temperatures is expected. Drink plenty of fluids, stay in an air-conditioned room, stay out of the sunshine, and check up on relatives and neighbors. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911. The following statement is for the following areas: in Oregon, Central Coast Range of Western Oregon, Coast Range of Northwest Oregon and South Willamette Valley, and in Washington, Willapa Hills, heat advisory in effect from noon to 9 p.m. Saturday. The National Weather Service in Portland has upgraded the excessive heat watch for Saturday to a heat advisory, which is in effect from noon to 9 p.m. Saturday. Impacts: moderate to high risk of heat illness for those who are sensitive to heat and those without effective cooling and adequate hydration.
It's pretty windy and hot outside. You can see the wind's blowing. Gresham, Oregon. Yeah. It says a heat warning and a heat advisory.
Advisory means that a period of hot temperatures is expected. Drink plenty of fluids. Stay in an air-conditioned room. Stay out of the sunshine. And check up on relatives and neighbors. Know the signs and symptoms of heat exhaustion and heat stroke.
Ah, there we go.
Heat stroke is an emergency. Call 911. Hourly weather observations at noon. Astoria, it was sunny. Temperature 85 degrees. Wind north.
We just got a excessive heat warning and a heat advisory.
Pressure 30.02 degrees falling. Newport, sunny. Temperature 82.
It's 89 degrees.
Sunny. Temperature 61.
Oh, it just said heat advisory is in effect. Oh. Oh. Here, for now.
A heat advisory is in effect.
Yep. It keeps on saying heat advisory in effect. Yep. Sure.